Cleveland, Hillary Clinton, had in total a giant cough-a-thon that lasted about 4 minutes. 2 minutes there in front of Tim Kaine, who's standing back there watching her cough, and then nothing. And then on an airplane later. This was a big story on Drudge and other outlets. However, the mainstream media, not so much. We asked our brain room to do some checking into the first 2 nights, Monday and Tuesday. How much did they cover that? The coughing fits?
15 seconds on ABC on Monday night, nothing on Tuesday. Look, NBC didn't cover it at all. CBS didn't cover it at all either.
And